everyone, you can watch my videos in your first language now. Click the settings button, audio track, and select a language of your choice. Like Portuguese.
E detalhado sobre o vídeo do Starbucks, configurar niveles e outras funções.
3% लोगों ने ही मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब.
Di video kali ini, saya akan menunjukkan cara
皆
mengatur
さん、こんにちは。このビデオでは、スタトックの設定方法。
You'll find other options too, like French, German, Italian, and Polish. So enjoy! Discord and Best Buy are offering a free 1-month Nitro trial. This deal was available before but has now been extended to November 6th. There are a few criteria to qualify for this offer, and I'll get straight to the point so you can decide what to do. First, Best Buy is similar to Amazon or Temu, but it only sells and ships electronics. I hope you understand that part. Second, when you click the link to their website, it takes you here. I forgot to mention that this offer is only for residents of the US or Canada. According to the article, you need to buy their eligible products, such as the ones listed on this page. For example, the AirPods Pro 3 costs $249 and AppleCare costs $39. Most products on this page are over $100, which is quite steep. But that's just the beginning. You can either choose this option or click Discord 1-month Nitro here. Then scroll down and click how to buy it. They say that first you need to sign in, create an account, and purchase a membership costing $50 monthly for my Best Buy Plus or $180 annually, which will give you a 1-month Nitro trial. It doesn't make much sense because a 1-month Nitro costs $10, so why would anyone buy a $50 membership just for that? But let's say your parents or relatives happen to purchase something from Best Buy, an eligible product. You can ask them to send you the Nitro link. However, buying it solely for a 1-month Nitro doesn't make sense. Anyway, I did a lot of research on this because they didn't specify which product is eligible for the free 1-month Nitro. It seems like you just keep buying stuff until one day a Nitro link gets dropped. So yeah, I hope you like this video. Hit the like and subscribe button for more updates like this, and join my Discord server.